Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lalabs edition. This is Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. We're still here in France, and this is the continuation video of our travel to the city of Strasbourg. Join us as we continue to explore this beautiful place. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Aside from the well-known city of Paris, one of the most visited cities here in France is Strasbourg, the prefecture and largest city of the Grand Eastern region of Eastern France, at the border with Germany in the historic region of Alsace. Strasbourg is also the formal seat of the European Parliament and sits near the German border, with culture and architecture blending German and French influences. From the market square, we continue walking to look for the Notre Dame Cathedral. And on this long narrow street, you can already see the view of the Temple Neuf. The Temple Neuf in Strasbourg is a Lutheran church built on the site of the former Dominican convent. The temple was constructed at the end of the 19th century after the old Dominican church was destroyed during the siege of Strasbourg on the night of August 24th to 25th of year 1870 during the France-German War. The ensuing fire also destroyed the libraries of the University of Strasbourg and the city of Strasbourg, which were located at the Temple Neuf site. We visited Strasbourg in November, and you can see people are starting to put up Christmas decors. The postcard town of Strasbourg, France, is cute all year round. However, it really shines at Christmas season because of its unique, cute way of decorations. Finally, I can now see the Cathedral of Notre Dame. Actually, this is the reason why we're here in Strasbourg, for I wanted to see this cathedral. It's one of my bucket lists. Strasbourg Cathedral is an absolute masterpiece of Gothic art. The 142 meters high spire looks incredibly lightweight and made the cathedral the highest edifice in all Christianity until the 19th century. Strasbourg Cathedral of Notre Dame, or the Cathedral of Our Lady of Strasbourg, is a Catholic cathedral in Strasbourg, Alsace, France. Although considerable part of it are still in Romanesque architecture, it is widely considered to be among the finest examples of Rionant Gothic architecture. I will end my video here, but not yet the end of our travel adventure here in Strasbourg, France, for we will still continue exploring this magnificent place, so there's more to see in my next travel video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. See you on my next travel video. Bye for now.